Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to be talking about the installation of the rear center console insert in a Model X 5-seat configuration. The first thing we have to do is remove this floor panel right here. It's really very simple. We just take it and flip it over and out of your vehicle for a few moments. The next thing we need to do is simply fold forward our seat. That couldn't be simpler. And then we take the rear fastening strap for the RCCI and simply slide it under the seat so that we can grab it from the back. It fits very easily. We can pull this over to kind of center it, but we'll just leave it alone for now. Now let's jump into the trunk of the X so that we can fasten the RCCI fastening strap to the top tether on the back of the seat. The first thing we need to do is to adjust the length of this hook so that it's tight enough to properly fasten inside the top tether bar and at the same time hold the RCCI in place. So let's adjust the length for a moment. Now we take the hook that's been adjusted to the proper length and fasten it to the tether. You can feel it inside. It's a little bit hard to video this, but if you go inside there, we feel inside and attach to the tether. We now pull our seat back. Our RCCI is now attached from the rear. We can also attach it underneath the front seat. To accomplish this, we simply again need to adjust our handling strap, so let's go ahead and do that. Now that we've adjusted the front strap of the RCCI to the appropriate length, we simply reach under the seat and catch it onto the front edge. The hook fits very nicely and smoothly. We finish up our project by simply replacing the floor panel that we took out at the beginning. We put it back in very simply, drop it down, and we're all set.